Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate age in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you're working with contact records and need to automatically determine someone's age based on their birth date, saving you from manual calculations and keeping your data always up to date. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, you'll want to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This is your control center for customizing and configuring everything within Salesforce. Once you're in Setup, look for Object Manager, which you'll find right beside the Home tab. Click on it to access all the objects in your Salesforce org. This is where you can modify standard objects like contacts, accounts, and opportunities, as well as any custom objects you've created. In the Object Manager, use the search bar to find and click on Contact. This opens up all the customization options specifically for contact records, which is exactly what we need since we're adding an age field to contacts. Next, navigate to Fields and Relationships in the left sidebar. This section displays all the fields currently available on the contact object and allows you to create new ones. Go ahead and click New to start creating your age calculation field. You'll now see a list of field types. Select Formula as your field type, then click Next. Formula fields are perfect for this because they automatically calculate values based on other fields or system data, meaning the age will update dynamically without any manual input. On the next screen, enter age for the field label. You'll notice that the field name automatically populates as age as well, which is exactly what we want. Now you need to choose the formula return type. Select number from the dropdown and set decimal places to 0 since age is always expressed as a whole number. Once that's done, click Next. You should now be on the Formula Editor screen. If you're not already viewing the Advanced Formula tab, switch to it now. This is where you'll paste the actual formula that calculates age, copy, and paste this formula exactly as shown. Year open parenthesis today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus year open parenthesis, birth date, close parenthesis, minus IF open parenthesis. Month open parenthesis today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, less than month open parenthesis. Birth date, close parenthesis, vertical bar, open parenthesis, month open, parenthesis today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, equals month, open parenthesis, birth date, close parenthesis, ampersand, day open parenthesis, today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, less than day, open parenthesis, birth date, close parenthesis, comma 1, comma 0, close parenthesis. This formula works by taking the current year and subtracting the birth year, then adjusting for whether the person's birthday has occurred yet this year. After pasting the formula, click Check Syntax to ensure there are no errors. If everything looks good and you see a success message, click Next to proceed. Now you'll set field level security, which controls who can see this field. Select the profiles that should have access by checking the visible box next to each one. This ensures that the right users in your organization can view the calculated age. Once you've made your selections, click Next, then click Next again on the following screen. Finally, you'll choose which page layouts should display this new age field. Select all the page layouts where you want the age to appear, then click Save. The field is now active and will automatically calculate age for any contact that has a birth date entered. And that's it. You've successfully created an age calculation field in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.